The POWERTEC aluminum pocket hole jig comes with everything that you see here. There's the jig itself, an R2 driver bit, 3/8 drill bit with stop collar, and a variety of screws to use, depending on the surface that the base of the jig will be attached to for stability. In addition, there's a hex key and something that's very important, a dust collector port. What is pocket hole joinery? It's a fast and easy way to make strong joints between two pieces of wood. And yes, it is really easy to do. Start by measuring the thickness of the workpiece you'll be working with. There's actually a ruler on the jig for this. In our case, it's 5/8 of an inch thick. We then slide the white adjustment marker to the 5/8 mark on the thickness scale. The next step is to set the drill depth. Take the kit drill piece and attach the collar, but don't tighten it just yet. The collar will later limit the depth of the pocket hole. There's also a ruler for drill depth on the jig. It's the scale with the drill bit symbol on it. Taking the drill bit, we position it so that the thick part of the step drill bit is level with the desired marking, in this case, 5/8 of an inch. Now, holding everything in place, lock the collar onto the bit using the hex key. And at this point, you're ready to start making pocket holes. In fact, we recommend our own quick-release ratcheting table clamp. It's model 71408. It's designed to secure guide rail systems, which have identical docking T-slots to the aluminum pocket hole jig. This ensures there's no play when drilling. Now, before you start drilling, make sure you've connected the jig dust port to a collector. That said, we still recommend testing out the settings on some scrap pieces first. For the actual drilling, set your drill to the highest speed possible, and be sure that the drill bit is actually spinning at that speed before it touches the wood. This ensures clean, perfectly shaped pocket holes. Stop drilling when the stop collar hits the jig. One of the star features of this jig is the dust collector port. No one ever does just one pocket hole, and it's actually a little shocking just how much incredibly fine dust comes from making just one pocket hole. Times this by 8 or 10 and you most certainly have a breathing hazard. So hook up that dust collector. Health-wise, it's really important. Now this is something new. You're not always going to need the toggle clamp. In fact, for some jobs it's just plain in the way. How do we fix this? By making it detachable. The POWERTEC aluminum pocket hole kit also includes a steel base, which allows the jig to function as a more portable unit. Here we would place the steel base over the edge of the workpiece and secure it in place with a clamp, before drilling any pocket holes. With the pocket holes drilled, all that's left is to line up the pieces being joined and, using the provided R2 driver bit and panhead pocket screws, join the wood pieces. Work safe, folks.